Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will straight go to the point. I want to show you how you can convert your existing 2.1 or 5.1 into 2.2 or 2.3. So I have done a video of how to convert 2.1 to 2.3, but this is very similar. If you have already seen the video, just you can skip this, but if you have not, please watch till the end. I'm going to show you how to set up this, and how you can, differentiate between the sound with one sub versus two sub, and how to balance that. Also, please do watch this video with earphones. I have played a soundtrack in the beginning, but I'm going to play another track when I'm going to test it and show you how it works. So first, for this experiment, I have taken my eyeball soundbar system. So why this is because without this soundbar I cannot use my sub that I have. So without this sub I might be minus one sub. So for this experiment, and also it sounds good, it supports Dolby, so I usually play my movies through that via optical from my TV. And this sub, if you have seen my other videos, you definitely know I use it for my combination of other speakers. This DAPIC system, so this is a 5.1 system. I have used the sub, and this is a 20-year-old system. So first let me give you an input and insights on how these speakers are and what are those. So this is eyeball speaker, and it has a sub. This is a passive sub. So meaning I think you already know what is passive and active sub. So these two are active subs, and I have connected them. So it both are connected. So this sound system and the sub is connected. So to have increased volume, I has to operate through the sub. I cannot with remote I can set up only the bass, and I can reduce the treble. For this one, this is a car subwoofer system. I'm using it for home, so I'm powering it through my a spare car battery that I charge through my solar panel. So here it is. So my usage is less and it consumes less, so that's the reason that was enough for me. And this 5.1 system, I'm not using the 5.1 system, so I had the sub left. I thought, let me start using it. That's when I wanted to upgrade from, so with extra sub, and I have noticed that this sub really performs really well. I remember it being the one of the best bass drops I have heard was in these speakers. So this is a very heavy build. As you can see, this is going inside the bed, even heavier than the car sub, and this is a very well built. It is built with MDF wood, even though these are very cheap built. You can tell it by the touch of the feel of the wood, but I love this sub. Definitely I never want to give it away or going to sell it. So let us come to the main video. So here I have connected each system with aux. So you have, this is the input coming from my phone, the silver wire. So this is the input. You need to have this aux splitter. You will find it on Amazon India for approximately 200 rupees. I bought 2 or 3 long time back and I use them. So this is the input, and this other red color aux goes to my eyeball speakers, and this 3.5 mm connects to my RC cable on my DAPIC subsystem, and this Amazon aux supports my speaker sub here from okay, it is actually off, so it seems like the wire has come out. So maybe in the last clip what I have played, okay, my video ended, so it has missed its power, so apologies for that. Now I can see it's on with that blue color indication. So I have connected this eyeball sub to my soundbar here, and right now I'm going to play a soundtrack and please play that soundtrack in your system, and record it and listen to that video and this video. If you find the difference, then definitely in real time it's going to be a massive difference from what you hear versus what you really hear from the systems in front of me. So I'm going to play this song. This is the least volume. Right now it's 12. So it was not distorted like how you hear, but definitely the bass is heavy on the mid one. So usually what I do is I place them at different distance. I play through these two connected and those two connected with these subs, so I listen in a different experience. But if I'm going to listen, I'm not going to place them on firstly on bed. And this is just to show you how you can create the you can upgrade your existing system and you can add one more sub to increase your bass. So hope this video helped you understand how that can be done in a cheap way. Drop a like and comment if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer. Thank you all. Bye.